Introduction to the Human Genome Pop Quiz. What do a lizard regrowing its tail, a tree sprouting new leaves, and you getting taller all have in common? They all involve mitosis, a type of cell division that results in two daughter cells each having the same number and kind of chromosomes as the parent nucleus. This is how our bodies grow and repair themselves. Now imagine a world where you're a blend of your mom and dad, but not identical to either. That's where meiosis comes in. Meiosis is another type of cell division, but this time it results in 4 daughter cells each with half the number of chromosomes of the parent cells. These cells, called gametes, are used in sexual reproduction. Think of mitosis like photocopying a book. Every copy is identical. Meiosis, on the other hand, is more like taking 2 different books and tearing out random pages from each to create a completely unique book. To understand these processes better, consider a bustling city. The city represents the cell, and the buildings within it represent chromosomes. During mitosis, it's as if each building exactly duplicates itself. The city expands, creating room for the new buildings, and then a wall is built down the middle, separating the 2 identical halves. Each half is now a separate city, each with the same number and type of buildings. In contrast, meiosis is a bit more complex. Imagine 2 cities, each with different types of buildings. In the first phase of meiosis, known as meiosis 1, the cities exchange some of their buildings. Then, a wall is built, dividing each city into 2. However, these cities aren't identical. They're unique combinations of the original 2 cities. In meiosis 2, each of these cities duplicates its buildings and divides again, resulting in 4 unique cities with half the number of original buildings. It's important to remember that these are simplified examples. The actual processes of mitosis and meiosis are much more intricate and involve numerous steps, each carefully regulated by the cell. Now here's a question to ponder. If mitosis creates identical cells, and meiosis creates unique cells, how might these processes be utilized differently in the body? What might be the implications of errors in these processes? Think about it, and let's engage in discussion. Just remember, every time you grow, heal, or even just exist, you have these 2 extraordinary processes to thank. So, next time you look in the mirror, give a little nod to mitosis and meiosis, the unsung heroes of life as we know it.